Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to get ready with you guys for my birthday. Currently I'm getting ready. I need to run for my party, but if you want to know how I did this, then keep on watching and let's get started. So let's start different this time. I'll show you my outfit first and then we'll get into makeup because most of the people don't enjoy makeup at the start. So here is my outfit.
So this is my outfit. I got this dress from Crossworld Dharampet branch. I absolutely love this neckline and the fit of this dress. Next up is my bag. This bag is from Meesho. I got it just for 400 rupees. Can you believe it? The quality is also nice and the color look much better in real life. Then these earrings are by Nykaa Fashion. I got this under a set, and these rings and chain I never ended up wearing, but I don't remember the place they are from. And lastly, the shoes are from Skechers, but I ended up wearing heels, and those heels are from US store.
So as you guys know about my outfit now, I want to talk about my hair. I got them chopped yesterday. Although I like this, but then with that outfit I feel little more straighter hair will look good. So I am going to straight थोड़े से ये वाले जो बाल है, so that it looks better. And ये अभी के लिए मेरा face बहुत ज़्यादा round लग रहा है इसमें, so I'll straight my hair first. So मैंने थोड़े थोड़े स्ट्रेट किया है, लाइक एकदम डीप स्ट्रेटनिंग नहीं किया है, हल्के से जो वेव्स आ रहा है. I quite like it better than this, of course. This is done. हल्के हल्के as I said मैंने थोड़े से स्ट्रेट कर लिया, and I think this looks much better than the curl गोले गोले on my hair. So now let's start with the makeup. I'm shooting in all natural light, like light on my face is all natural. I'm standing just near the window so that you guys have a better idea about how all these things look in real life instead of just camera. So there's this one chota light on for that background. I'll show you. So if I off this, still I have light on my face, but then this looks quite dark. That's why I've switched on just this one light. Okay, so now let's start by moisturizing our face. My fingers feel so unreal because I never apply white nail paint, but this time I just wanted to, so I did. So while applying a moisturizer, make sure you massage it well into your skin so that your skin gets absorbed with that complete moisture and you have like that natural glow. Even before doing like a full face of makeup, make sure you moisturize and do the skincare well basically before doing anything. I'm back after 15 minutes lenses पहनने के बाद. I'm applying this Fit Me primer. Yeah, so I was saying that तब सिर्फ 12:30 हो रहा था एंड मेरी पार्टी का टाइम 2 बजे है. मुझे लग रहा था मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा ही जल्दी रेडी हो रही हूँ, एंड देन लेंसेज पहन लो तो लाइक उसको एक सर्टन आवर्स तक ही मैं पहनना प्रेफर करती हूँ. तो आई वाज लाइक कि थोड़ा देर में शूट करते हैं, बट देन लाइट बहुत जल्दी शिफ्ट हो रही है. सो आई थिंक अभी से हमें रेडी होना पड़ेगा. सो नेक्स्ट आई एम टेकिंग एकदम छोटा सा नहीं, थोड़ा सा कंसीलर एंड थोड़ा यहाँ. आई जस्ट टैप इट, लाइक इट विल बी हार्डली विजिबल बट थोड़ी सी पिगमेंटेशन कवर हो जाएगी. See, so it was hardly any product, but this side of my face looks slightly better than this side. So I'll just apply idhar pe bhi. Yeah, so this is done. Now I'll apply this Garnier BB cream. This time I'll use a normal sponge which I usually use, and let's see how this looks. But yeah,
I'm applying thoda neck pe bhi.
Now I'm going to take this Clinique का bronzer थोड़ा सा. I'm just going to do थोड़ा इधर क्योंकि डबल चिन नहीं दिखनी चाहिए. बट आई एम नॉट श्योर, मैंने ऐसे अपने ये बेसिक मेकअप्स वगैरह साथ ये सब कभी नहीं किया है. लेट्स सी हो जाए. आई डोंट थिंक इट्स इवन शोइंग अप. कैन यू सी एनी डिफरेंस? आई कैन नॉट. सो लेट्स जस्ट कीप इट क्योंकि नहीं दिख रहा है, मुझे नहीं लगाना. Next, we'll do eye, but I don't know what to do with the eye. Like I'm not sure if I want to go with the liner or just mascara. What I'll do is I'll quickly get into my outfit and then decide. So I'll be back in 1 second for you all. So I have changed into my outfit, although I'm not sure about this pendant. For some reason it's looking very weird. थोड़ा सा लंबा रहता है and these charm थोड़े और ज़्यादा होते तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मैं बहुत दिन से ऐसे ढूंढने की ट्राई की but मुझे मिला नहीं. For I am still indecisive what should I do, because all the accessories I am carrying it's on the golden tones, because silver में मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था but silver इसके साथ बहुत अच्छा लगता. So for I वैसे भी कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. तो I am going to take this glim effect. It's by Makeup Studio. I'll just tap it थोड़ा थोड़ा and it will shine. थोड़ी लाइट पड़ेगी तो. So nothing much I'll do because मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. Yeah. Also I have this silver liner but ये look मैं बहुत बार कर चुकी हूँ, so I'm not sure should I do it or no. But सबसे पहले I'll do my mascara. उसके बाद I'll just do थोड़ा सा जो दिख रहा है. So this is how I decide. Wow. First thing is to curl my lashes. I'll go ahead with these two mascara. One is by Too Faced and one is by Bad Girl Benefit Mascara. First I'll go with the Benefit one. It will give length to my lash. Now next I'll go with the Too Faced one. This will give sort of a volume and थोड़ी lashes visible हो जाएंगी. This is the waterproof. This is the normal version. The other green one I have, it's the waterproof one. उसको निकालने में बहुत problem होती है. That's why I'm not using it as. See, instantly this gives so much volume to my lashes. Go and apply this glim effect. This is how it looks. So I'll take hardly any product and just dab it there. If you see it right now, it won't show up, but as soon as I come ahead and light pops up, it shines. So that's the magic about this. I absolutely love it. I used to use this a lot back in the day. So I applied white kajal underneath. मेरे को कॉल आ गया था तो I think वो पार्ट रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ है. Finally I'll apply my favorite lip combo, which is this lip pencil by Miss Claire and also the lip matte cream by Miss Claire. This lipstick is in the shade 49 and this is in Sand Pink L24. I'll make sure to link them below. एंड नाउ मैं इतनी जल्दी इसलिए कर रही थी, मैं बहुत लेट चुकी हूँ. मुझे 50 बार फ़ोन आ रहे थे बीच में एंड इधर उधर हो रही थी. सो फाइनली आई जस्ट कंप्लीट. वेयर माई ईयरिंग्स. जिसमें थोड़ा सा पिंक का शेड है बट इट्स ऑल लाइट एंड वो सब तो काफ़ी मैच हो रहा है. एंड आई हैव मेड द डिसीजन. आई एम वेयरिंग हील्स एंड नॉट शूज बिकॉज हील्स है. Opening my hair. And yeah, we are ready. I think I'll remove this because earrings के साथ ही अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. मुझे ऐसे भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. Okay, I am wearing my rings. My hair is done. Makeup is done. And this is how my birthday look looks like. दिस वॉज द मोस्ट ऑनेस्ट गेट रेडी विथ मी बिकॉज मैं हर टाइम इधर उधर भाग रही थी. पता नहीं मैंने क्या क्या किया. आई डोंट नो हाउ द क्लिप्स हैव कम आउट बट आई एम ऑल रेडी एंड hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.